Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit a video on Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys, right now I am in a website that shows everything about converting a PDF to Google Slides. Right here, frequently asked questions about converting PDF to Google Slides. The first one is, can I convert PDF to Google Slides without losing formatting? If you convert a PDF to Google Slides by changing it to a PPT file, the formatting may be changed, but you can always make adjustment to change the formatting back in Google Slides. To retain the formatting, you should convert the PDF to images and then import the images into Google Slides. So, how to convert PDF to Google Slides on Mac? To convert PDF to Google Slides on Mac, you can use PDF Elements for Mac, which can convert PDF to PowerPoint on Mac. It can also convert PDF to images, Word, Excel, and more. As a converting the PDF file can be added and used in Google Slides. How do I make a PDF editable in Google Slides? If you want to edit a PDF in Google Slides, you need to convert the PDF file to a PPT slide. Then you open the PowerPoint file in Google Slide by clicking File, Open, and upload the PowerPoint. Then you can edit the file in Google Slides. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.